Hey there, and welcome to the Outer HQ. Today we are going to be learning how to calculate your book cover size for Amazon KDP or any other book project. So firstly, you go to kdp.amazon.com/cover-calculator. Make sure you know what kind of book you're working with. Are you trying to publish paperback or hardcover, and what kind of interior would you be using? What kind of paper would you be working with? And also in what direction are you going to turn your page? So the usual direction is from right to left. So we pick left to right at first for this, but I'm just going to go back and pick right to left. And the measurement units that I'm using, and most people use, Amazon uses, is inches. My book type is also 5x8, and the number of pages of my book is 125. Please note that you can increase it, you can reduce it. This really depends on how many pages your book has amounted to, and you can check the size of your book from your Word document. You would see what size of paper you're working with. Anyways, once you do this, KDP Amazon would automatically calculate what your front cover should be, what your full cover should be. Your full cover is your front cover plus back cover plus spine, what the full dimension should be. And for this one, you can see it's 10.543 inches in width and 8.25 in height, and the front cover is just normal 5x8. Safe area, the bleed, the margin, the spine safe area, the spine margin, and the barcode margin are details that you're going to need when you are formatting your book. You need the spine and the spine safe area when you start editing the front page and the full cover. And yes, you can also see that the Amazon KDP, if you scroll down, you can see the image at the bottom where it shows you where each area is. What do you mean by full cover? That's 1, and front cover is 2, and safe area is 3, bleed area is 4, margin is 5, and it just shows you what to do. This makes publishing your book by yourself fairly easy.